Hello, welcome to the house of R. Today we are going to open two Majorette tune-ups. Hope it's something I don't have. And felt in mood for a mystery, so let's open two mystery models with tune-up parts. Alright, let's start with the one. Wow, look at that. Haven't seen that before, so that's new. Ford performance. That is the Ford F50. Red in the rims, white color, red interior. That is so cool. Let's look at the parts. That's a chassis part here. Clip it on like that. Even got a little motorcycle set in the back. And got some stickers in case you want to decorate your car. Look at that. Not gonna use the stickers right now. There it is, Ford F-150. That was cool. Alright, let's have a look at the other one. And look at that. That is Renault Megane RS. It's a cool car. Yellow. Blue in the rims here. Blue interior. Let's have a look at the parts. Got a new chassis here too. Put it on. Something like that. And we got new tires, bigger tires. There you go. Look at that. Still has some plastic part inside. And we got a sticker. Can decorate your little Renault Megane. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. cool. Alright, we got 2 new mystery models, and see if any one of them is let's see here. We got the Ford there and the Renault there, so those are cool. No rare, no super rare, but I really like the Ford. Alright, we are going to photoshoot these 2 cars and let them spin on the table so you can have a look. And please, if you haven't, subscribe, thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit notification bell if you want a warning each time I open some Majorettes. And I see you later.